So why aren't there more European stocks in my portfolio? Well, they don't make the cut. When I filter across 10,000 companies on my approved list for valuation growth the key, dividend yields, lack of volatility, but good upside growth, they don't often make the cut, unfortunately. It's like trying to pick a football team, and I know Paris Saint-Germain won the European Championship, but the French companies, the European companies often do not make it into a very crowded space. Remember, I'm trying to pick the best of the best. We're not just trying to pick a European champion, we're trying to win the World Cup when it comes to investing, and so we've got very high standards. And those high standards essentially mean that it's rare that companies in different countries in Europe make the cut. If you want to have high standards in your investing, if you want to learn how to do it, if you want to be data driven and not spraying and praying, have a look at my links in the bio and you'll get lots of free information there as well. What am I doing in Paris? Well, I was giving an investor talk to a group of American investors about the markets, and I'll talk more about that in future videos. So save this, follow, like, subscribe if you want to keep up with investing education and information. And until next time, well, au revoir.